Welcome to VS Code for Everyone, Episode 8, Git and Source Control Built In. Watch every edit become a tracked, reversible, committed piece of history, without leaving the editor or typing a single Git command. This project has had version control this whole series. You just haven't looked. Every folder VS Code opens can track its full history, one change at a time, and this one already does. The source control view, Control-Shift-G, empty right now, 0 changes, because nothing's been edited yet. If this folder had no repository at all, this exact panel would show one button instead. Initialize repository. One click and you'd be exactly here. Ours is already open, so let's put it to work. Let's give Git something to notice. Quick open, hello.py. Jump to the end of the file. Add one line, a comment explaining why, not what. Save it, Control-S. Look at the gutter just left of that new line, a solid green bar. The moment a saved line differs from your last commit, Git marks exactly which line, not just which file. One more signal in the Explorer, Control-Shift-E. Hello.py now sits in orange text with a small m beside it, modified. Gutter bar, orange file name, Explorer badge. 3 different places, one single fact repeated so you can't miss it wherever you're looking. Back to source control. Hello.py is listed under changes now. That fact from 3 screens ago has one home. Click the file itself, not an icon. The diff view your saved version on the right, last commit on the left, and the new line highlighted solid green for added. Delete a line instead, and it turns up red on the left. Change one in place, and both colors sit side by side. This is the real review step professionals never skip. Read the diff before you commit, every time, and an accidental leftover debug line never makes it into history. Hover the file and click the plus. It jumped to stage changes. Staging isn't saving, and it isn't committing. It's a third pile, a holding area for exactly what the next commit will contain. Edit 10 files, stage 3, and only those 3 get committed. The other 7 wait, untouched. Changed your mind? Click the same spot, now it's a minus. Straight back to changes, nothing lost. Staging is completely reversible, right up until the moment you commit. There's no wrong way to click around in here. Let's actually commit this one, so stage it again. Click the message box up top and describe the change in one line. A good commit message is a note to the next person reading this history, including future you. Say why, not just what changed. The diff already shows what. Control-Enter or click Commit. Committed. The message box is empty again, Staged Changes is empty, and that graph at the bottom of this panel just grew a new entry. A permanent, reversible checkpoint you can always return to. One button appeared just now offering to publish this branch. That's for sharing history with a remote like GitHub, a different lesson for a different day. Today's commit lives safely, right here on your machine. Git was here the whole time, working in 3 layers. Control-Shift-G opens source control, where every edit shows up the moment you save. A colored gutter bar in the editor, an orange badge in the Explorer, both pointing at the same file. Click that file to open the diff and read exactly what changed. Green for added and red for removed, before you commit to it. Staging is a holding area, not a save. Click to stage. Click again to unstage, completely reversible, and only staged files ride along in the next commit. Type a message that says why, then Control-Enter, or the commit button turns it into permanent history. Your practice mission: edit any file, save it, read its diff, stage it, then unstage it just to prove you can, then stage and commit it for real. Pause and do it now. Quick check, question 1. You've staged 3 files but want to commit only 2. What do you click on the third? Its minus icon to unstage it. It stays edited on disk, just left out of this commit. Question 2. What's the one honest way to know a change actually did what you think before committing it? Open the diff and read it. Never trust a file name badge alone. Next episode, debugging in VS Code. set a breakpoint, step through running code, and watch your variables change in real time. See you there.